Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to prevent our new applications from automatically appearing on our home screen. When we download or install any application, they automatically appear somewhere on our home screen. Let's say we don't want it. We only want this application to appear in our here in our hidden application place. So settings, then home screen, and add new apps to home screen. We have to turn it off. And now when we install applications, they will not they won't appear on our home screen. They will appear only here. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.